Hello everyone, welcome to PP Tech once again. Today I am going to talk about Mumbai street food. Street food of Mumbai is the food sold by hawkers from portable market stalls in Mumbai. It is one of the characteristics of the city. The city is known for its distinctive street foods. Although street food is common all over India, street food in India is not because people from all economic classes eat on the roadside almost round the clock. And it is sometimes felt that the taste of the street food is better than restaurants in the city. Many Mumbaikars, means the people of Mumbai, like a small snack on the road in the evening. People of Mumbai cut across barriers of class, religion, gender, and ethnicity and passionate about their street food. Street food vendors are credited by some for developing cities' food culture. Street food in Mumbai is relatively inexpensive as compared to restaurants, and vendors tend to be clustered around crowded areas such as colleges and railway stations. Pav Bhaji is a fast food dish from India consisting of a thick vegetable curry served with a soft bread roll. Its origins are in the state of Maharashtra. It is served with yummy ladi pav, which is made of pav, plain flour. Vada pav, alternatively spelled as vada pav, is a vegetarian fast food dish native to the state of Maharashtra. The dish consists of a deep fried potato dumpling placed inside a bread bun, sliced almost in half through the middle. It is generally accompanied with one or more chutneys and a green chili pepper. Although it originated as cheap street food in Mumbai, it is now served in food stalls and restaurants across India. It is also called Bombay burger, in keeping with its origins and its resemblance in physical forms to a burger. Pani Puri literally translates to water, and here the puris are fried, puffed, crisp dough balls which are hollow. Generally, the water or pani is soft, tangy, as well as spicy. This spicy pani is balanced with the addition of sweet tamarind chutney. Pani puri or puchka is a type of snack that originated in the Indian subcontinent. It consists of a round or ball-shaped hollow puri. Uh, for flavor, we add flavored water, tamarind chutney, chili, chaat masala, potato, onion, or chickpeas. A samosa is a fried or baked pastry with a savory filling such as spiced potatoes, onions, peas, cheese, meat, or lentils. It may take different forms including triangular, cone, or half moon shapes depending on the region. It is often accompanied by a chutney, and it is probably the most widely known of a broad family of recipes from Africa to China. It is an appetizer or snack. Sev puri is an Indian snack and a type of chaat. It is it is a specialty that originates from Mumbai, Maharashtra, India. In Mumbai and Pune, Sev puri is strongly associated with street food but is also served at upscale locations. Recently, supermarkets have started stocking ready-to-eat packets of Sev puri and similar snacks like Bhel puri. Bhel puri is a savory snack originated from the Indian subcontinent and is also a type of chaat. It is made of puffed rice, vegetables, and a tangy tamarind sauce. Bhel is often defined with the beaches of Mumbai, such as Chowpatty or Juhu. One theory for its origin is that it was invented at a restaurant called Vitthal near Victoria Terminus. According to another theory, Bhel Puri was contributed by the city's Gujaratis who made it by adding complex flavors to the simple North Indian chaat. Dahi vada are a craze at home. They require some prep work to be done beforehand. Actually, they are vadas on which we put curd and more items. A bhaji is a spicy snack or entree dish similar to a fritter originally from the Indian subcontinent with several variants. It is a popular snack food in Kerala, Tamil Nadu, Maharashtra, Gujarat, Andhra Pradesh, Karnataka, Assam, West Bengal, and in Odisha, and can be found for sale in street side stalls, especially in tapris and dhabas. Tapri is a type of a small restaurant. Mumbai's favorite street food merges with Oriental culture in this exciting version of Chinese bhel. Rather than being made with puffed rice, this unique Chinese bhel recipe is made with fried noodles tossed with colorful sautéed veggies and garnished with crunchy spring onions. Idli or idli are a type of savory rice cake originating from the Indian subcontinent, popularly as breakfast foods. In southern India and among Tamils in Sri Lanka, these cakes are made by steaming a batter consisting of fermented black lentils and rice. The fermentation process breaks down the starches so that they are more readily metabolized by the body. A dosa is a cooked rice pancake originating from South India, made from a fermented batter. It is somewhat similar to a crepe in appearance. It is its main ingredients are rice and black gram, ground together in a fine smooth batter with a dash of salt. Dosas are a typical part of South Indian, Southern Indian and Sri Lankan Tamil diets. But the dish is now popular all over the Indian subcontinent. Traditionally, dosas are served hot along with sambar and chutney. They can be consumed with idli puri as well. Uttappam is a type of dosa from South India. Unlike a typical dosa with this, the Frankie is truly the taste at home. Frankie is a uniquely Northern Irish delicacy traditionally made up of cuts of fatty beef and seasoned with fresh herbs and vegetables such as leeks and onions. A sandwich is a food typically consisting of vegetables, sliced cheese, or meat placed on or between slices of bread, or more generally any dish wherein bread serves as a container or wrapper for another food type. The sandwich began as a portable finger food in the Western world, though over time it has become prevalent worldwide. The 3rd of November marks the National Sandwich Day. Dabeli or Kachi Dabeli is a popular snack food of India. Originating in Kutch or Kutch region of Gujarat, it is a sweet snack made by mixing boiled potatoes with a special dabeli masala, putting the mixture in a ladi pav and serving it with chutneys made from tamarind, date, garlic and red chilies, etc. It is garnished with pomegranate and roasted peanuts. Misal pav is a popular dish from Maharashtra, India. It consists of misal and pav. The final dish is topped with farsan or save, onions, lemon and coriander. It is usually served with bread or rolls toasted with butter and buttermilk or curd and a papad. It is served as a breakfast dish, as a snack and also as a full meal. After eating such a different cuisine, you might be feeling a bit drowsy and you might need an energizing drink. Here's what chai is a favored tea beverage made by brewing black tea with a mixture of aromatics, Indian spices and herbs originating in the Indian subcontinent. The beverage has gained worldwide popularity, becoming a feature in many coffee and tea houses. Although traditionally prepared as a decoction of green cardamom pods, cinnamon sticks, ground cloves, ground ginger and black peppercorns together with black tea leaves. Retail versions include tea bags for infusion, instant powder mixtures and concentrates. Thank you for watching this video. If you like this video, please like it and share it with your friends and family members. And don't forget to hit the subscribe button to get more interesting videos like this. Thank you.